What's going on, guys? We're out here in Great Hills, Northwest Austin. Great Hills, we are actually just west of 360, which means you're close to 360, 183, Mopac, which means you can get everywhere. We're super close to the Arboretum, the Domain, tons of restaurants, tons of shopping, amazing schools, just a wonderful area here right at the northwest side of the hill country here, tucked into this little house, into this little neighborhood. Back in here we have this gorgeous house. I want to show you we're starting out in the driveway because I want to show you, look at how unique this driveway is, right? We're going to show you all the cool details of this house. This house is a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, 3,700 square feet. I can't wait to show you all the little details put into this house. As we see, this driveway is super unique, but then they carried that same thing into this path walkway. And then I want you to come on over and to be able to take a look at how beautiful and inviting these stairs are with this natural stone. So not only are they nice, wide, big steps, but take a look at what they did with the little details, bringing that contrasting stone in here, making it just right from the get-go. We've looked at the driveway and the entry stairs. How many details are already in this beautiful house? Let's go in and check this out. So guys, again, beautiful arch metal doors, just absolutely gorgeous. Love these. As we get inside here, we're hit right off the bat, right, that it is a cozy 3,700 square feet, but you see all the amazing design features. Let's head on upstairs. So I love the railings here and the way they built this all out with the double and then the space and then all of the little detail work in the railings here being more trimmed out on the post, trimmed out on the top, just absolutely beautiful. As we head on in, we'll get into this first bedroom here. Good sized bedroom upstairs. Love the fact that you've got all the windows up in here, and I'll have you come on in and take a look at the view from this window, right? How beautiful is that to be able to see the hill country just right from this first little upstairs bedroom. So head straight across the hall here. Now, this bedroom is super interesting, and I'm super curious about this, right? Because you see it's got this setback space, right? So it's got a good sized bedroom here. Again, beautiful out the windows. But then you've got, so is that the bedroom area, living room area, and you put in the bedroom back in here, and then you've got a little hidden storage unit, storage area back in there with a finished out attic, so that you got extra storage. So this is such a unique bedroom. I really am genuinely curious. What would you guys do with this? Is this for a mother-in-law? Is this for a grown, teenage, older child? Like, what would you use it as a secondary living and study space for upstairs? What would you use this bedroom for? Because the layout on it is super unique. As we head on down, I want you to notice just a couple of things here. Look at the top of these doors. All completely trimmed out, right? You've got the reverse quarter round up there and then trimmed out. You've got panel doors. Just absolutely love that. Get into this bedroom upstairs here. Second bed, third bedroom upstairs here. Look at how big. We've got the hip ceilings, making that nice and high. Look at how big and gorgeous this is. This one has its own bathroom, so let's take a look at that. Couple of things I love with this is that you've got this nice pencil green all the way up to the ceiling. They went ahead and removed no tub in this. I wanted you to see there's a couple of cool things. One, same sleek style as the walls, but then look at the little bullnose trim that they put into this curb of this shower. Again, we've got huge rain head. We've got the wand. We've got frameless with no door, right? So super beautiful. As we step in here real quick, look at how beautiful all this is with the brass, with the granite, the white with the brass trim. Gorgeous little touches in this bathroom. And then something really cool in this room. We're going to show you a little bit more later. Remember this door. Remember this door. Remember this button. Let's go take a look. So We're gonna head on through down this hallway with the main bedrooms. And as we get out, I want you to be able to really stop and take a look at how pretty this is. Just from there, how pretty this is with the railings, with the catwalk, being able to see up in through into the living room, just all the little design features that make this house so pretty. The last bedroom upstairs here in this bedroom, again, hip ceilings, nice wide, beautiful natural light, beautiful views from here. We've got the nice tall baseboards throughout the entire house. So all this is all completely trimmed out. But let's take a look at this bedroom has a bathroom as well. One of the things I think they did was smart in here, not only is completely different style of the tile in this bathroom, all the way up to the ceiling, they were smart, left one tub upstairs so that you've got a shower up here, but you also have the tub up here as well. Little details. Look at the sink, okay? Now look at the toilet, but the toilet lid matches the sink, right? So super cool. All the little details make everything cool. Another quick thing in here is if you look in this closet, we got a lock on that door, right? So that's going to be out to the little attic area as well. I would put my gun safe back there, but don't tell anybody. Again, look at how beautiful and open this stairwell is. We're going to get downstairs and really start to show off, you know, how good this layout is for living, for entertaining. I just love some of the things. We're going to step in here right off the front door here into the formal dining, but I want you to notice some things into this formal dining. Look at this ceiling. They used the beams to go ahead and create some contrast, some architectural design, using the recessed can lights to highlight that and bring out this beautiful little chandelier that they have in here. But look at how big and gorgeous this is. Again, we're gonna notice all the windows. Look at all the trim work on all the casing on all this stuff. Just absolutely beautiful. Right behind you, there's a doorway that comes from the kitchen. We'll talk about this kitchen, but this is beautiful right up front here. Right across the hall, we're gonna head into the office. They have got this set up as a reading room right now, but I personally would have this as my office. How pretty is that to be looking at from your office and be able to utilize nice tall ceilings right up front here away from the rest of the living space. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom, but notice we've got full shower in here, huge rain head all the way up to the ceilings. We've got a bench back in there, frameless on the doors, so that it just beautiful, beautiful. And you notice that green, it comes all the way in through here. We've got countertops that go along with that color. Again, completely different light fixtures. Love these cube light fixtures, so cool. All the brass fittings, everything just looks so pretty. And this ends up being your guest bathroom for your living room. We're gonna head in here to here is your primary bedroom. Hip ceilings all the way up. Like, this is a Texas chandelier, folks. I love that chandelier with, you know, all that brass looking like the trees heading out, some lights. Beautiful windows bringing in all this natural light. Because of the way these neighborhoods are designed, they really do have, right, where the houses aren't facing each other, the windows aren't facing each other. So this allows you to really enjoy being able to see the outside from every bedroom. We got to talk about this closet. I got some issues with this closet. This closet is just absolutely ridiculous, right? So you can come on in and see we've got some open shelving. We've got some cabinetry there, some drawers there, some cabinets here. And if you come on in and you can see just how big this is, right? Nice, large. And then we have the hangers here. Those I can reach. Hanger up there. Can't reach that. Well, we have a little fix for that. Why don't we just go ahead and bring it down for you to your level, and then when we're done, get it tucked up and out of the way. When you have a little bit of shoes, we have a little bit of shoes, no problem, right? So not only do we have that, we've got 2 sets of these, right? So that's why I said I had to talk to you about the closet. I mean, I could deal with this closet. This primary bathroom is not huge, but I love the way they utilized the space in here. First off, you can see just how big and beautiful that shower is. You can see they've got the his and hers. You can see how pretty all the mirrors are. Again, the fixtures are not full brass in here. We do have the drawers in between, which I absolutely love. We've got that beautiful granite in throughout here and curbless shower floor, right? And into this gorgeous space. Such a huge shower. Your handles are actually over here, but what's cool is this rain head is actually adjustable for how high you want it. Drop it on down, grab your wand, sit down, right? And really be able to enjoy this. So while it is a smaller primary bathroom for a house this size, it's gorgeous and laid out really, really well. Let's come on out here, take a look. I told you about the little details. We see all that brass, the thermostat. Look at how pretty. Details, details, details. Come on into this living room. We have this beautiful, look at the size of that light fixture, the beams in here, the vaulted ceilings. You can see the catwalk from here. Big, beautiful fireplace, massive, right? Love all that. Beautiful little space to be able to be in here and enjoy yourself. We're going to walk through the kitchen, but I'm not going to show you the kitchen just yet. Little space here, big, beautiful window, bringing in all that natural light. Oak tree right there. Can you imagine having your little table, your little coffee table right here so you could sit and just enjoy it in the morning or cocktails in the evening? Let's head on outside. One of the things I really love about this backyard, it's just such a zen, cool backyard. So we've got the paver stones as the floor out here. We've got the tongue and groove ceilings, 2 ceiling fans. We've got the oak tree, because in Texas, we let our oak tree grow. So if that means cutting a hole in your roof, you cut the hole in your roof. But you can see just how big and open this covered patio is, how cool it is to be able, and doors on either side of the kitchen and the living space. So you got really an outdoor living space, entertaining space. Just come on out. This is not a big it's not a big backyard, but there's some cool little features when you come back in through here. So first you've got the koi pond that's right across from the covered patio with the little waterfall, creating great sounds, beautiful little backdrop. And then as we come on back down in through here, what we'll see is we've got a pretty little trail going all the way down. And if you look all the way at the very bottom of that, you've got the decomposed granite, the crushed granite laid out there for you to have little patio table and chairs back there. Great place, for in the cool evening time. You'll be able to get down there, sit and enjoy being outside. So it's not a big backyard, but to me, this really shows off a very zen feeling, really relaxed feeling, really great for being able to just enjoy the outdoor living space. Then we get back in here again, you can see how nice and big this covered patio is. I'm going to show you guys some interesting things about this house that I really love and I think is so cool. So first off, remember I told you about the bedroom upstairs with the button? Yeah, that's because we've got an elevator. So again, if you've got some older family that's living upstairs in that unique bedroom, they've got a way to get up and down without actually utilizing the stairs. So that elevator, there's one cool thing. Then I'm going to switch places with you here and show off a few other things. So to be able to wash the dog, right, and anything else that you need. Look at how pretty this already is. Just the spot to wash the pets and other little things as you come in through the garages right behind you there. So how well thought out is every little thing. We do have the spot for the washer and dryer right there. And then as you come in, we've got this great locker room feel to it. Tons of shelving, drawers underneath, coat hangers, right? A place for everything as we come in through here. And then I don't know how you guys do your pantries, but this is the way we do ours. check this thing out. Look at how cool this thing is. You've got the big, beautiful shelves out here, all of this countertop. We've got that green, that olive green with the brass, which looks beautiful. You've got a separate sink in here. You've got the dishwasher in here. You've got the long subway tiles going all the way up, trade ceiling in here. Like, come on, man. This is just... right? This is just a pantry. I can't wait to show you guys all the cool little features of this kitchen. Again, we come out, we've got your refreshment, your bar area. So you've got the clear glass so that you can display all your wine glasses, all your cocktail glasses. We've got the wine and beverage cooler here as well. So we haven't even gotten to the kitchen, and look how well set up this is. But I want to show you guys some stuff in this kitchen. We've got the microwave oven. We've got a dishwasher here. Look at the size of this solid brass sink. How beautiful on this huge island. We've got this chef's kitchen, full vent, very pretty. One of the things I love about this chef's oven is not only do you have the 6 burners, you've got a boiler burner there, you've got your skillet there, right? You've got 2 ovens. This oven has not just the bake, but the convection bake, convection roast as well. And then we come on down through here. We also have the trash can. And then I'll switch sides with you again because I want you to be able to see that we do have the ice maker in here, and it is the small ice. You know, you got to have that crushed ice, man. That's the only way to go. Beautiful, big, open drawers, ready for everything. You've got your spice cabinet. Look at that beautiful backsplash that goes so well with this. And then this mosaic backsplash on the over the oven. Just absolutely beautiful. And as we come on back through here, again, we can see big old refrigerator. We have the warmer here as well. And then we actually have the warm beverage. So between the refrigerator, we've got this countertop cabinet space for all of your drinks. And so, like I said, this kitchen is just so amazing. If we kind of pull back a little bit so we can see, look how beautiful these pendants are. Like, they're just gorgeous. Look at how huge this island is, being able to have your kitchen, your breakfast bench there. Just an absolutely beautiful kitchen. What I love about this house, again, 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, 3,700 square feet, is it is really just laid out for living. And then having this kitchen, having all that set up for the formal dining, having these doors on either side heading out to that back patio so that you can enjoy cooking for all of your friends and family. How beautiful is this house? Under $2 million in Great Hills, Northwest Austin. Come on, man. If you guys want to see this house, the inside of it, or any others like it, feel free to reach out. My cell phone is actually in the description, so give me a call. Let me get you inside of some of these beautiful houses. We'll see you in the next video.